maximum. So first of all, I would like to call upon stage Mr. Rasmus. He is Group COO and the Chairman to COVI India. I request all of you to kindly give him a big round of applause. I request him to kindly step on the dais and speak a few words.
It's very nice to be here. So enjoy the evening. Thank you very much.
And in fact, it is a pleasure to have people from National Deaf Society to be associated with COVI. COVI has not only made its mark in geographical information and engineering designs, but it has also associated itself with an NGO, the National Deaf Society, NDS. I would like to invite on stage Miss Ruma from NDS. Please give her a big round of applause.
That's a happy birthday. God bless you, COVI, and hope we will walk many years together.
I was just having a word with somebody from COVI backstage, and they said that NDS, National Deaf Society, they have actually provided with 4 employees to COVI, which is actually an achievement. I want all of you to give NDS a big round of applause, please. Thank you. This would not have been feasible without the effort of Miss Anjana and Miss Ruma. I want both of them to step on the dais, please. Please give them a big round of applause. And we have got the token of love for all the participants from NDS and for the faculty also. So I request all the participants from NDS to kindly step on the dais, please. All the participants. And to do the honors, I would like to invite our MD, Mr. Pierre, on stage. Now is the time for all of you to witness this rich classical touch of the country. I'm talking about the diverse dance forms. I'm talking about the Odissi classical dance form. Yes, one of the employees is going to perform over here. Unity in diversity is what is being portrayed through this dais by presenting the Odissi dance form, the classical dance form of India. And before this beautiful day ends, I would like to interact with you a little more. I would like to play another game. Okay, so I've got a game for you. What you have to do is 20 till 1, countdown. Alternate numbers in English and alternate numbers in Hindi. So I'll just give you a demo. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 8. Okay? No fumble, no stoppage. 20, 19. Okay, I give you another chance.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12.
Can we just have the token of love for them? This is for you and this is for you. Thank you.